Going to this video, I'm going to add for that of the minus, plus, division, because for to run this code right now, this is what we're able to achieve. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0. If I click equals to other guys, nothing is actually happening. So we need to set function for them to actually work. So the first one we're going to basically do is just to copy that. Basically going to be the same. There's no more different. So I can come here and say let me just piece couples of them. I can say whatever I do. So let me just do for that of divide. I'm going to, if I do for divide, I'm going to and then try to do also I'll be able to explain. So for that of divide, we already know what is actually going to be. Just like saying, just put the string. I just want to make sure that everything inside is going to be a string. So with this, we have done our divide. This is actually a string. I don't know why I put this string here, but should I remove it? No, let me make sure everything. Let's just run with everything that is here. Here is going to be what plus divide. Let me do for that of multiplication. Okay, let me do for that of plus. How did I put divide? Okay, so let me do for that of plus. So here is going to be what plus, and here is going to be what plus, and we're going to put on like plus here. P, I can say P, we stand for our plus. So, but you get the idea behind this. So let me just run it. Let's see what we're able to achieve. So, but when I click on plus, what's the actual thing? When I click on 3 plus, why is plus? No, okay, I need to move it. I have to give it the command. Send to that of the plus. Let me just copy this. I don't need to start from the beginning to type it again. So here's for our plus. What have I done again? And then for our, we have done for our divide. So we're going to say maybe so like 2. You can see plus 5. You can see this is looking nice. So we can now use evaluate to evaluate what is on the screen. Yeah, then we'll get our output and then set it back to our screen. That is not going to be hard. So let's just I'm going to pause this video to do other ones. You can see that just basically what we did. Divide. I'm going to do for that of multiplication and the other guy. To do for that of the we did our plus and our divide, and I was able to complete it when I did the pause the video. I was able to do for that of the minus. Here's for multiplication. Here's for our decimal. You can see there's nothing really here to actually think of how hard is it. Only what this is actually doing, just chopping a whole lot of space on our environment. But if you understand what we're actually doing, the space that is chopping doesn't, so not the space that is consuming doesn't actually matter as much. You can see the decimal. Just make sure you change the name and change the string to be decimal. This string here is not a must, but I don't even know. Like I still don't know why I just decided to put it for some no reasons. And then this multiplication, just put the asterisk here. I think that should be it. Let's run it. The idea is just for all these guys to actually show on the screen. The main guy that is going to do all these guys, that is going to work all this logic that we're actually going to do is that of the eval. Eval is a function, built-in function in Python. So I will say something like 1 minus. Why is minus not working? I did for minus now. Okay, this is why this minus is not working here, because we didn't push it to the function. So we need to come down here. Let me just take this. I'm going to do for that of multiplication. I think it was DIC. And we have done for that of the minus. I think it was minus. And we also did for that of the plus. I've done for the plus. Okay, here should be decimal. Do for that of the comma. Sorry, do for multiplication, decimal, divide, minus. So let's run this again to see what we're able to achieve so far. So let me draw this 1 plus 2 minus 3 divided by 8 times 6 times 9. The idea is that you can't perform any mathematical operation in this, so unless you need to actually predict the value that a person is going to enter again to times it. But in this form, or there's another way to do this. Once somebody enters something, it's going to be plus and then display on the screen like how some modern calculators work. Once you put 1 plus 1, it's going to display 2 for you. If you put 2 plus 2, we can make a small icon here to be doing all those. But for to do this video is going to reach almost like 100 episodes to complete all those that. But this is a little bit better. If I click on equals, we'll not see the equals to there, and that of the clear decimal point is working, and other things are working. Only equals to there and clear. These guys are going to be a little bit tricky, but it's just simple. Nothing really more. When you click on equals to, just want to evaluate everything that exists here. we're going to stop here for now. Now, next video, I'm going to do for that of equals to del and declare. I'm going to do it completely, not pausing the video just to run it. So I think this should be it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe won't be a bad thing, and it's not going to take money from you. So let's end this for this video. I'll be happy to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.